والسلام على رسول الله وآله وصحبه ومن والاه رب يسر وأعن يا كريم وافتح بالحق إنك الفتاح العليم. I have an hour or slightly more in which to frame a text that inshallah will be scooping a few drops out of later on this week. The ulama always insist that بِذِكْرِهِمْ تَنْزِلُ الرَّحْمَةِ, by mentioning the great ones, rahmah descends. To make no apologies for using this time to recap the perhaps familiar features of the lifetimes and agenda of Imam Al-Ghazali radiallahu anhu. This leads on, I hope not too inelegantly, from some of the topics that I was outlining yesterday, in that if we wanted to apply one epithet to the great Imam, as good an epithet as any might be that of an educator. He was a teacher and a lecturer and a writer, and not just a formalistic repeater of set paradigms, but someone who was passionately dedicated to the inculcation of sound knowledge, and even more passionately, if that would be possible, to the transformation of souls. So in the sense that we were mapping out yesterday, he was an educator in the true Islamic sense. That is to say, he differentiated as clearly as anyone else has ever done between true and false knowledge, useful and useless knowledge. He was interested in the ilm that is for the akhirah. All knowledge that is useful is knowledge that yanfa'u fil ma'ad, it is going to be of benefit to us the last day and that which follows.